Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. You are welcome to ESSBENMARK TECH channel. Today we are going to learn about how to solve activation required for Microsoft Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024. So we are going to solve this issue. So first of all, you close the program and please kindly make sure that your machine is connected to the internet. So you click on the set button, type CMD and run as administrator. So a pop-up will appear, click on yes. So you run some few commands to solve that problem. So these are the commands. I'll put a link in the description, so as soon as you click on the link you get the command. So you follow the same process as I'm doing and used to do yours to activate. So first of all, you copy the first command, then you use the shortcut Ctrl+C, or you do the normal steps. Copy this one, you come and paste it here and you press enter. So you are done with the first command, you copy the second command too. You come and paste that one also to here and you click on enter. So you need to have a little patience for the command to load. So as you can see, Office license installed successfully. So we are going to copy the third command too. Copy this one too and come and paste it here. So as the code load reach here, it has not finished loading, you click on enter for the code to load more. So as you can see, product activation successful. So you type exist and you press enter to exit the command. Then you come and open your any of the MS software to check if it is activated. So when it opens, you go to account. As you can see, product activated. So this is how to activate Microsoft Office 2024 when it shows activation required. If you find this video, kindly please subscribe to ESSBENMARK TECH channel for more videos. Kindly follow me also too on TikTok. I'll be happy to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching this video.